Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPUSD on a weekly time frame closed this week with this bearish engulfing candle, finding resistance over here at this key level. And now if you look closely, then you can see how GBPUSD has been moving in respect to this beautiful downtrend line for quite a while now, all the way from here to all the way over here. And on the last week, GBPUSD closed the week with this bullish candle, making a retest on this beautiful downtrend line. And in this week it did go up for a while and then found resistance over here and came down, closed the week with this bearish engulfing candle, showing signs of facing strong price ejection from this key level after making a retest to this downtrend line over here. Now if this is a price ejection and if GBPUSD continues with further bearish momentum by breaking below this key zone or like this low from GBPUSD, then this would be a retest on this downtrend line and GBPUSD is still respecting this downtrend line. However, if GBPUSD makes a breakout of this week's previous high right around here with further bullish momentum, then this won't be a fake out and GBPUSD would be making a proper breakout from this downtrend line, which might lead GBPUSD to continue pushing up to retest this key zone or all the way up to retest this key level over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see the downtrend line over here, which we just talked about in the weekly time frame, and also you can see some of these key zone on the which we drew on the basis of these retest points over here. Now GBPUSD has this key zone which we are expecting to be GBPUSD's strong support zone, which it needs to make a breakout of to continue pushing down, and we have this previous high as GBPUSD's resistance, which it needs to make a breakout of to continue pushing up to retest this key zone or this key level over here. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then you can see on this 4-hour time frame how GBPUSD made a recently in this week made a breakout of this uptrend line, which GBPUSD was respecting while moving in this bullish pullback move over here, and created a new downtrend line over here. Now as you can see, after making a breakout of that uptrend line, it's creating this newly forming downtrend line and moving in respect to that downtrend line. So if GBPUSD on the upcoming week or a week from that continues to respect this downtrend line and continues to push down by breaking below this previous low with further bearish momentum, then it might come all the way down to make a retest on this key zone over here. However, if GBPUSD with further bearish momentum makes a break and close below this key zone or below this previous low right around here with further bearish momentum, then GBPUSD might come all the way down to retest this previous low or all the way down to come all the way retest this key level over here, which we drew on the basis of its previous retest points over there, which you saw on the daily time frame as well right around here. So if GBPUSD does make a break and close below this key zone, better yet break below this previous low with further bearish momentum, then GBPUSD might come all the way down to retest this low or all the way down to retest this key level over here, and that would confirm GBPUSD that is still respecting this downtrend line, since it made a breakout of this major key zone on GBPUSD with further bearish momentum, and this move like signs of making a breakout was just a fake out, and GBPUSD is still respecting this downtrend line and is about to make a new lower low all the way to retest this key level over here. However, if GBPUSD instead of doing that, instead of making a breakout of this previous low or like this key zone with further bearish momentum, if GBPUSD finds strong support around at this key zone or like at this low and continues to form higher lows and make a breakout of this downtrend line over here with further bullish momentum, then it might be creating a newly forming uptrend line, something looking like this. And if that happens, you can also look for trace on the pullback to that newly forming uptrend line or on the breakout of certain structure or like certain resistance zone that it might be forming over here on this 4-hour time frame after it makes a retest on this key zone, to look for trace on the long side in hopes of GBPUSD coming all the way up to retest this key zone over here. However, if it with further bullish momentum makes a breakout of this previous high from GBPUSD, then it would be making a breakout of this major downtrend line over here, a breakout of this high, and that might lead GBPUSD to continue pushing up with further bullish momentum to come all the way retest this key zone over here. And if it with further bullish momentum continues pushing up, then come all the way up to make a retest on this major key level on a higher time frame point of view. Now these moves might not happen on the upcoming week, like a retest on this key level or a retest on this key level. It might not happen on the upcoming week, but a week or 2 weeks from that or even more, it should be happening if GBPUSD moves up or down by breaking below this key zone or like this low, and also by breaking above this high with further bullish momentum over there. So that's my analysis on GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key zones and trend lines and stuff are. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPUSD.